I can't! Oh, I Oh my God! My stomach! My stomach! My stomach is hurting! Oh, my stomach is hurting! I can't laugh anymore! My stomach's hurting so bad! My stomach is hurting so damn bad! Oh my God! What? What?
Okay, we're good. Here we go. Oh,
my stomach is hurting so damn bad. Oh. My stomach, I can't laugh anymore. My cheeks are hurting. Oh my God, they almost tipped. There was all one way over here. Oh my God. My stomach. Watch. That's it. This is what happens when you ride the hayride at the Nahila birthday party.
I'm wet.
Don't look at her ass. Don't do it. It has emotional and physical damages.